Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code on new phone. Now, to fix this problem, you should open Microsoft Authenticator on your new phone. And after that, here on the top right corner, you will find this plus sign. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, here you should add the account that you have actually signed in on your old phone. So you'll have to click on personal account right here. And after that, you can simply click on scan QR code or sign in with Microsoft. And after that, you can get your old phone and use the QR code in order to log in into your new phone using the QR code. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Microsoft Authenticator, and after that, you should make sure that you have the latest update. If you do not have the latest update, you should update it, and after updating it, the issue will be fixed. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.